Have you ever inflated a balloon with just two kitchen ingredients? Welcome to the series of Crazy Chemistry. Here your instructor Miss Mutahara from Acelabs. Get ready for a chemical surprise. Today we are about to inflate a balloon with secret ingredients. For this purpose, you need a balloon, citric acid, baking soda, test tube with drag, funnel, and water. So here we have all these materials: chemicals, balloon, beaker for adding water, test tube with drag. First we add citric acid into a test tube with the help of funnel. After adding, pour some water into the test tube. Another side, take a balloon, fix it into the funnel so that you can easily add baking soda in it. You can also add a solution of baking soda, but if you add powdery baking soda, it will help a lot. Add a teaspoon of baking soda into the balloon. Now fix this balloon to the test tube carefully. Before mixing, make sure that the citric acid is completely dissolved in the water. Now we are gonna fix it. Yes, done. Now are you ready to see a magic? Slowly move a balloon to the upward direction so that all the baking soda is added into a test tube. Now you can see the balloon is started inflating. Slowly shake the test tube too. Now you can also see a wonderful magic in the test tube. Here you can see some bubbles that are rising upward direction. Let's dive in and explore the science behind this fun experiment. This is a acid-base reaction, or you can say a neutralization reaction, in which acid react with the base to form a salt, water, and release carbon dioxide gas. The bubbles that you saw were basically carbon dioxide gas that helped to inflate a balloon and balloon expand. I hope you enjoy this fun experiment. Do this with your fellows and share with us. Bye bye.